凌晨6点30分，钦州市气象台将暴雨橙色预警信号升级为暴雨红色预警。
Extreme rainfall has caused chaotic flooding in Qinzhou, Guangxi, southern China. Powerful storms brought intense downpours, overwhelming streets and drainage systems. Reports indicate around 273 millimeters of rain in just 8 hours, far exceeding extreme storm levels. Even more striking, nearly 160 millimeters fell in a single hour, approaching world record intensity. These figures are significantly higher than previous April rainfall records in the region. Floodwaters quickly spread across roads and neighbourhoods, disrupting daily life. Authorities are monitoring the situation as emergency responses continue. The event highlights the growing impact of extreme weather patterns across the region,